You want to shoot your own videos type shit, low key, low budget. You see what I'm saying? Hey, this VA, them people will lock you up. The MGF video out here. So we're gonna try to, you know what I mean? I'm gonna try to get some shots in out here, do some things. We're gonna be putting it together. Huntington Park, I'm about to shoot this video. Cannons to the left of them. Cannons to the right of them. You feel me? On my Jeffrey shit. Feel me? That's gonna get us where we wanna be. I'm gonna start this whip up here. Petrol! All right, put this seatbelt on, you feel me? Look, safety first, you feel me? Hey, Johnny, click it or dig it, you feel me? Hey, this VA, them people will lock you up. Okay. All right, people, what's good? I'm out here at the Huntington Park. I'm about to shoot this video. The MGF video out here. So we're gonna try to, you know what I mean? I'm gonna try to get some shots in out here, do some things. We're gonna be putting it together. It's my second video. Got my gear out here, you know what I mean? Got my little tripod. I'm shooting with a Kodak Pix Pro AZ528. I mean, do a little bit with it. I gotta step my game up to the Canon or something like that, you know what I mean? But right now we low budget, so you feel me? Yeah, so right now we low budget, you feel me? We're gonna put it together. You know what I'm saying? We Rona ready out here. You feel me? We Rona ready, you know what I'm saying? We COVID-19, we COVID ready out here in 2021, trying to get it popping, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna shoot this video. Y'all stay tuned. Okay, I don't got the right connection piece for my truck. Run back to the crib, get that, you know what I'm saying? If that was far, oh my God, that would have been crazy. But we're about to shoot out here and get some of this, you feel me? Some of this historical shit locked in, you feel me? So y'all can see. Cannons to the left of them. Cannons to the right of them. You feel me? On my Jeffrey shit. Alright, so we back in the whip, we rolling. You gotta double check, man. Make sure. It's like carpentry work. Measure twice, cut once. I measured once and went to cut. It was all fucked up. You know what I mean? But you know what? We riding past where I shot the Believer video at, parts of it anyway. It's over here. The 7-Eleven where the video was shot at, the train. I don't know, I hope y'all can see that. All of that. Something. Sound like somebody dragging something. Well, ooh. Somebody shit fucked up. Let me. All right, people. I'm about to run up here, get this piece, and get back out the way, all right? Okay, so I have retrieved the piece with the mount for the light, just in case, so I can stay out there. Maybe we out here as long as we got battery, because I'm low budget, baby. A little fun fact tip I just figured out. Put the seatbelt on equipment or put it in the trunk. That stuff roll around, boy. You don't want to lose nothing. You don't want to break nothing. You know what I mean? Especially on a budget, bro. You trying to keep all of that secure. You feel me? Safety first. You know what I'm saying? Real talk. Safety first. Stay focused. Make sure your stuff is secure. Your equipment is secure. You know what I'm saying? Before you go off. You don't want to ruin nothing. I'm gonna go ahead and set up and try to get this popping. You know? As you can see, I got my camera out set up now. I'm gonna be over here shooting a little performance shot, you know what I mean? And I'm gonna try to set up and get a little bit of that so y'all can see what that look like, you know what I mean? A little behind the scenes of that too, you know what I mean? So wait, Brian, wait. That scene I just shot right there. You feel me? So And the thing you gotta remember, man, play music, man. Bring your system out here. Whatever it is, I got this from Roses, you feel me? Because you need to hear your sound. You need to hear your music playing. It'll help you when you go back to editing and all that, you know what I'm saying? To hear that in the video right along with this with the soundtrack, it help the editing out. It help you line it up perfect, you know what I'm saying? Make sure you got your music playing. This joint is like 15 bucks, you know what I'm saying? But you can have like a little small box speaker, whatever. If your phone play loud enough, you can play it right off your phone, whatever the case may be. But just make sure you got your sound pumping so you can hear it, because you need to hear it, you know what I'm saying? When you hear it, it helps better with your editing. Make sure when you shoot, bro, make sure you find your mark. Make sure you set your mark where you gonna be when you get your shot set up. It is important to have your mark, especially like if you know where, like if you've already got your camera mounted and it's set up where you want it to be. You know what I mean? At the angle where you want it to be at. You got it set up, it's lined up to get you just how you need to be. Set your mark on that spot so that you can make sure that you lined up on that spot, man. Because for real, if you're not, you're gonna be mad when you get the editing and it's not lined up how you want it to be. It's cold for real. I'm finished at this location right here. I got about 3 angles from here. I'll probably come back tomorrow maybe, or I still want to catch this light. I gotta go down there to the arches down there and then do about 3 scenes down there, you know what I'm saying, 3 shots down there. But I got some good stuff right here. I'm gonna set up and go move to the next spot, and then, you know what I mean, we'll go see what's popping, you know what I mean? Listen, number 1 key, the most important, make sure, you feel me? Make sure to search and double check your location from the last site with location, to make sure that you're not leaving nothing when you go, you feel me? You want to make sure you're not leaving nothing when you exit this place, you feel me? Because it'd be fucked up to leave something important, bro, that you need, you dig? That'd just be retarded as hell, you know what I'm saying? And then you gotta, you know what I mean? You might lose something that's very valuable, you see what I'm saying? But double check. Oh yeah, and get a book bag, yo. Hopefully a camel pack with a water pouch on it, you know what I'm saying?